Hello, this video is designed to show you how to install the demo software on our mobile scanners, specifically Windows Mobile 5, Windows Mobile 6, and all must be Motorola devices. Step 1 is to make sure your scanner is docked and connected to your PC. Once connected, you want to make sure to click on the link we provided you to download the demo application. Once downloaded, you just double click on the icon and you get the installer. It's very important to follow the steps of the installers one at a time without skipping a beat, and make sure to follow the instruction. If you miss the instruction or if you rush through any of the steps, the installation will not take place correctly. So step 1 is to agree. Step 2, to make sure all the items are checked, and click next. Once you click next, you want to start the installation process. At this point during the install process, you want to make sure to stop clicking on the desktop and move to your to the scanner app. You want to make sure it's set up on the device. You hit install and sit back and wait for it to finish the installation process on the device. Once it is done, you gotta get to the screen. At this point, you make sure and press OK, and when you get back to the main screen, only at this point that you press OK over here and wait for the second process of the installation to start. So again, once you get to the screen, do not press OK up until you go back to the scanner, select device, click on install, and wait for it to finish the installation process once again. So here we are. We press OK again and follow the same instruction. At this point, we go back to the desktop, click on OK, wait for this process to finish, go back to the scanner, click on install. So as you see, the process is very simple. The important part is never ever to click on OK over here up until the process on the scanner is done. So once it's done and you're back on this green screen, at that point only you press OK, go back to the scanner and follow the process all the way through to the very end. Once the process is done and you go through all the screens, you're going to get a setup has been completed. At this point, you pick up the scanner, click on Start, go to Program Files or to Programs, scroll down to find Passport. Here's Passport. Double click on the icon or double tap with your finger on the icon. And at this point, you are ready to start using the application, and it should have all the data and the database. So beyond this point, I would urge you to watch the next video that I have for you that will show you how to demo the application on the scanner to your customers.